What's up? Today's a little bit of an off video because we're playing Will You Press the Button, but it's still going on my channel. Alright, let's go. So, it says, Will you press the button? You will get all of your posts featured. After that, every single post will be either a kick or a like to cure. What? You'll get all your posts featured.
Sword! I got knife and sword, baby, so never move.
What? You get all of your posts featured. But after that, every single post will be either a kick, like here. What? What? Okay, next question. Will you press the button? Everything in life will be free. Everything. But you will see no value or purpose in anything. Yes. I would easily take that. And 46. Yes. Killing it. Okay, next question. Stupid pop-up ads. Alright. Will you press the button? You are the best. You are the best. You are the best at everything you ever do, but don't become any better. Everyone else just becomes worse.
B.
That's amazing. Yes. Yes. Yes.
What?
You can't control time. Wait, you can control time. Okay. But the ability to control time is immediately gone for the next 24 hours when you get a boner or break the law. Yes, because just don't break the law. Yes. Yes. Simple. Okay. You get the most followers on Twitter, but you can never use a hashtag. What? That you can just say it without the hashtag. Or you can just say hashtag. This game, some of these questions on this game is so stupid because they're so easy. Okay. Will you press the button? If you do, you will get a real working lightsaber in any color and any style you want, but have to take a 4-year training course and pass a difficult exam to get it. Of course. Yes. Man, I don't even know. I'm just clicking the button every time, so. And I've only lost one, so awesome. You get to rule the world, but you have to pay every country's debts for them. No. What? There we go. There it is. Okay. I will not. No! Would never. Okay. You gain the ability to freeze time, but you're violently thrown in whatever direction you moved in once you're oh gosh. Well, I'm not sure. I don't know. Oh my gosh. I think I should just click the button every time. Not just, I don't even have to read them, just click the button. Okay. You're a genius. Or you were a literary genius, but you can only write in Comic Sans. Yes. Call-up sounds are like the hardest thing to write in.
Then just come on.
Sharks invade the White House and eat. Wait, stop. Cam. Sharks invade the White House and eat all the politicians, but the only thing on TV, Shark Week forever. What the girl? No. Okay. This makes no sense, but okay. What? Okay. I guess that's the end of the video. Bye. See you tomorrow.